The Honest Woodcutter. English story for spoken English practice. Welcome. Today we will explore the story The Honest Woodcutter. This story will not only entertain you but also help you practice spoken English in several ways. The story uses simple words like woodcutter, axe, and honest. These words are easy to understand and useful in daily conversations. As we go through the story, focus on these simple words. Repeat them out loud to practice your pronunciation. There is a conversation between the woodcutter and the water spirit. You can practice speaking by repeating their lines. Imagine you are one of the characters. Practice the dialogues loud to sound more natural when you speak. Retelling the story in your own words will help you improve your fluency and confidence in English. Try to retell the story from memory. Using your own words, it's okay to make mistakes. This helps build fluency. Try answering questions like, what did you learn from this story? Or, why is honesty important? This helps you practicing sharing opinions. Think about the story's message. You can explain it in your own words. This will improve your ability to express ideas in English. The story is told in the past tense. Pay attention to how we talk about things that have already happened. Notice how words like fell, cried, and replied are used. Practice using past tense verbs to describe your own experience. The woodcutter and the water spirit are described simple. Try to describe them in your own words. Think about how you would describe the woodcutter. For example, you would say he is hardworking and honest. This helps improve your descriptive skills. The story helps you practice vocabulary, conversation, storytelling, tense and descriptions, all key for improving your spoken English. Practice each of these skills as we go through the story. Let's get started with The Honest Woodcutter. The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter who lived near a dense forest. He was hardworking and honest, cutting wood every day to earn a living. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe accidentally slipped from his hands and fell into the water. The woodcutter was heartbroken because he would not afford to buy a new axe. He sat by the river and cried, not knowing what to do. Suddenly, a water spirit appeared and asked, "Why are you crying, dear woodcutter?" The woodcutter explained his problem. The water spirit felt sorry for him and dove into the river. A moment later, she came up with a shiny golden axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter shook his head and replied, "No, that is not my axe." The water spirit went back into the water and returned with a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked again. The woodcutter, being honest, said, "No, that is not my axe either." Finally, the water spirit went back one last time and brought out the woodcutter's own simple iron axe. The woodcutter's face lit up with joy as he exclaimed, "Yes, that is my axe." The water spirit was very pleased with the woodcutter's honesty. She not only gave him his iron axe back but also rewarded him with the golden and silver axes as a gift for his truthfulness. The woodcutter returned home happily, grateful for the reward. From that day forward, he continued to live a simple and honest life, always remembering the value of honesty. Moral: honesty is always rewarded, even when you least expect it. Dear learners, thank you for watching. Now it's time to practice. I hope you enjoyed the story of The Honest Woodcutter. Now try to retell the story in your own words and practice the new vocabulary. And don't forget to practice speaking loud. It's the best way to improve your spoken English. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who wants to learn English. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more stories and English practice. See you next time.